All right, getting ready for the rally tomorrow. Man, putting these decals are really difficult, but wife is pretty good about that. It's hard. Those things are really hard. That one is so crooked. But anyways, yeah, she's gonna mess it up too. Yep. Got that. We have to finish some more. But excited for tomorrow's rally. It's gonna be a nice drive. Hopefully nice and sunny. Not too hot though. It's been really hot here in Cali. Way too hot. But should be on the what, 90s?
Yeah.
The 90s, so it should be nice. Should be a really nice drive.
So you thought it's gonna mess it up?
Well, you got it?
Well, I need to get the bubbles out. Look, what is this? What is this?
This is nice. I put that on myself. Look at that. It's really, yeah, it's really bad. But yours look, it's all right.
He just doesn't want to admit that I'm better than he is.
It has a lot of bubbles too.
Well, I fixed them.
Oh, whatever.
Do you not remember how jacked up the front was?
Anyways, getting ready for the rally. Oh, all right. So this side seems okay.
What you did on the hood. Better than what you did on the hood.
Okay, put it there. Means I know how to install everything.
Who hand makes stuff for?
Alright, here we go. All right. All right. What do you think about it, Christine?
Cool.
Is that cool?
The car?
Yeah, you like the stickers on the car?
Yeah.
You want to pick one?
Pick one.
Pick one to put on the car.
No. I don't want him to put stickers on
Well,
the
he's not going to, but he can pick one out.
car. All right.
No bubbles?
It's a car.
Oh, it is a car. I'm sorry.
Big car.
It's a big car?
Yeah.
What are these?
Take it to
Christian, what does this say?
rain.
What's this?
A car.
R?
No car.
It's a car?
Oh God.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Don't take it out.
don't take it out.
There's
See,
a
he
bubble.
knows you don't know how to put decals on.
That's the car.
Yeah, it is a car.
It's looking good though. It's looking really good.
Mama, come on. Mama, come on.
All right.